Ever wondered why hyaluronic acid is everywhere in skincare these days? From serums to sheet masks to injectables, it's literally the star of hydration. But how did it become such a must-have? And how do you actually use it right? Let's break it down. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is a moisture-binding molecule that naturally exists in our skin. Just 1 gram can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. That means serious hydration with zero heaviness. It was first discovered in 1934 in a cow's eye by 2 scientists, Carl Mayer and John Palmer. The word hyaluronic comes from the Greek hyalos, meaning glass, because of its clear gel-like texture. By the 1950s, it was being used in eye surgeries as a lubricant and later found its way into joint treatments and wound healing. Then in the 1990s, it became a star in aesthetic medicine, especially as an injectable for smoothing wrinkles and adding volume. But it wasn't until the early 2000s that hyaluronic acid made its way into everyday skincare. And with advances like multi-molecular technology, it can now hydrate different layers of the skin, not just the surface. Think of hyaluronic acid as a multi-level hydrator. The larger molecules stay on the surface, locking in moisture and preventing water loss. The smaller ones penetrate deeper into the skin, attracting water to plump and smooth it from within. Using it wrong, you might be drying your skin instead of hydrating it. Here's how to do it right. Always apply to damp skin, right after cleansing or spritzing. Seal the deal with a good moisturizer. Think of it as a hydration sandwich. Don't skip the bread. So now you know hyaluronic acid isn't just a trend, it's skincare backed by science, history, and real results. Got questions about HA? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay hydrated.